Hey guys, it's Trudi with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I'm here to share with you an amazing little truck. Let's see, we have this Ford F350 for sale. We have completely built out the aluminum bed. On it we have a big guy, two 100-gallon water tanks plumbed together, so you have 200 gallons of water, 100 gallons SH. We have a Boyd's fuel tank, 8-gallon a minute at 3,500. We have our metering valve. Have an AR-45 with 200 foot of 5/8 hose. The red gun on electric King 18-inch. We have another electric King 18-inch with 200 foot of one wire. Another King 18-inch electric with 200 foot of your fill hose. See, we've got filters everywhere. We also have a bypass with a FlowPro on it. So it's got all the gadgets. This baby is ready to go. Come get your title and get to work. Got a little place you can put a little ladder down there. Thought that was kind of cute. That's where I would stick my ladder, but it does have ladder racks up here for you. Got the toolboxes built in. This is a money maker right here, fellas. Just in time for spring. The truck and all the equipment is $45,000, our best offer. All brand new equipment. And we just had the truck tuned up and everything to make sure it was running good. Well, there you go, my friends. You stay humble and hustle hard and have a wonderful week.